Welcome to Momo Cooking Chan. Let's use Sichuan Pickles vegetable to cook 2 recipes: pickles, omelette, and stir-fried long bean. Fine chopped Sichuan pickles. Crack eggs and seasoning. Beat eggs until frothy. Fried egg until bottom solidified, then flip. Flip again, fried for 1 minute. Sichuan Pickles omelette is done. Easy and delicious. Give it a try. Quick recipe for a simple meal. Hope you like it. You may want to soak Sichuan pickles for 5 minutes to reduce the saltiness. Next, we will stir-fry Sichuan pickles with long bean. Cut dried chili into small pieces. Cubes long bean. Cubes Sichuan pickles. Stir-fry dried chili. Add Sichuan pickle, then long bean. Stir-fry until fragrant. Season with oyster sauce and sugar. Stir-fry for 1 minute. Stir-fry long bean with Sichuan pickles is done. This dish is appetizing and crunchy, salty with little spicy taste. Share this easy recipe with your family. Do follow my next new recipes on Friday to Sunday, 3 times a week, yeah. Weekly recipes will be available on Monday, containing videos of previous week too. Thanks for watching. Follow my channel for more delicious, easy recipes. See you in next video, yeah.